Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what does Carlbot do in Discord. So what does Carlbot do in Discord? So basically he can archive chats, he can set up roles basically. So here as you can do reaction roles right here. So you can do 250 roles and different modes, unique, verify, reverse, binding and temporary and many much more. So you can log everything right here as you can see, like roles updated, you can do those. Even powerful moderation, like you can ban people, you can mute them, you can even mute them for only a certain of percent of a time, and even like measure their offense. And basically you can even ID them, and even with the rules and reasons. So it's going to be a if then statements right here for your Carlbot dashboard. It's a very powerful bot that you can use. So you can do granular permission systems right here. So you can do entire bot mod only, and you can actually choose the channels that you use it on. Even the role whitelist right here, like you can select if it's only a mod, if it's restricted or muted, and many much more. Here you also have your auto mod. This is gonna be in your docs right here. So here you can punish bot links, spam, attachment spam, and you can block off anything that is like viruses and other things like that. Here you even have powerful custom commands. You have your variables including things like channel topic, member count, author IDs, random lists, and many much more. So it's a very powerful bot that can use AI and even simple algorithms just for actually using your server as a welcome bot. So here you also have your welcome messages, so you can send welcome messages and even farewell messages, such as this one. So all you have to do is go to your Carlbot dashboard and log in with your Discord, and then here you'll be shown your custom prefixes. So just press next right there. So here you want to add your welcome message. So let's just say in the general chat, and then let's just place a random message, and then we'll press next. You'll have your reaction roles. So you'll have reaction role templates like colors, pronouns, and many much more, and then moderation. And then from there you'll even have your automod, and then that's it. That's how you set up your Carlbot right here, and then you'll have to finish it up. So there you go guys, that is how Carlbot functions here in Discord. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.